One of the things that really comes to my mind, especially around I don't want to pin this just on women because this is kind of more of a human thing, but imposter syndrome, never feeling like you're good enough. What are your um, tactics? What are your tips and tricks around individuals being able to reframe or gain the confidence behind having, low self esteem or this most recent, imposter syndrome that keeps coming up?
Yes. So I remember a coach explained this to me this way. All of us are at different levels, whatever education, our experience, our work experience, we're all at different levels. And you need to just commit to where you are, accept it. You want to be higher, but you're not. You're just where you are.
Mm.
And maybe you are higher, but you're striving to be higher, right? So, whatever level you're at, commit to it, learn in that space where you are, give yourself grace to learn it. Um, do not compare yourself to others because there are always going to be people better than you, but there are people that can connect to you where you are. And that's really attractive. Someone would be more willing to connect with someone getting going because they feel more relatable than
Mm.
someone who's like a millionaire on stage with 1,000 people. They feel like a little bit more distance because of their experience and success has already taken off. So give yourself grace, and it's the committing to yourself.
Mm.
Allow yourself to go through it. Give yourself permission, and then decide, and then move on. And if you need people to help you with that, then do that. I have a book called I Have Permission, Decide and Move On Amazon. And that's pretty much affirmations, but it talks about not waiting because we can analyze forever
Yeah.
and wait for the perfect time, the perfect moment, the perfect education, the perfect degree, the perfect coach. And it's like, no, don't do that. But it takes courage, y'all. It does. And it takes willpower, and it takes passion, and it takes having good people around you. You know,
Absolutely.
if you have crabs in a bucket around you, what are you doing that for? You can't do that. You never done that before. Oh, now you want to do this? All that negative stuff. You either gotta let them go or put a pin in it and say, "I'll get back to you later." Like you might need a year off, so
Mm.
you can pursue.
A year
I'm not, I'm right. I'm right. And anyone
straight.
listening who's experienced this or experiencing it now, I'm right. And it's okay to come back, but you need the space, is what I'm saying, the distance, so your ears can focus on this new thing that you're pursuing, and you can be good at it. You just need the time.
Mm.